by the T12, medial branches from the T12 thoracic area. This synapse with the renal plexus. These splanchnic nerves, they supply the different organs in the abdomen. Splanchnic means related to the viscera. So, the sympathetic activity, the sympathetic nerves, they supply the skin, either it may be vasomotor. Vasomotor is constriction of the blood vessels. So as a constriction of the blood vessels in the skin, it increases the blood supply to the important organs such as heart, brain, kidney and all. And pilomotor is erection of the hair follicles present on the skin. You might have experienced during the whenever you are frightened, the skin, the hair follicles present on the skin, they stand up because of contraction of the erector pili muscle. It's because of the sympathetic activity, that is pilomotor. And pseudomotor is increased secretion from the sweat glands, that is to the skin and to the abdominal organs, and the heart also it will supply. So that's the action of the sympathetic trunk, the branches from the sympathetic trunk. So this is about the nerves of the thorax relating to the phrenic nerve. Even we'll get the vagus nerve, but that we are going to study in detail along with the vagus cranial nerves in the CNS. Okay, whenever we are going to study about CNS, that time we'll study about vagus in detail. The sympathetic trunk is related with the sympathetic activity, whereas vagus nerve, it is related with parasympathetic activity. Okay, this is about the nerves of the thorax. So if you have any difficulty or doubts, you can ask. Yes? Do you have any doubt? Yes? Anybody is there? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No. You understood everything? No doubts? have you got the notice for this thing? MCQ test, which is going to start from 6th. 6th is anatomy, 6, 7, 8.
No, ma'am.
Going to have the MCQ test on 6th. Have you got any notice on the website?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Um, so this is the announcement. You will be having MCQ test of 100 marks, which is going to start from 6th. 6th we have anatomy, 7th physiology, 7th is biochemistry and 8th is physiology of 100 marks, and the topics will be displayed, like you'll be intimated regarding that, like the topic and all. During the time you have to click on the assignments. Normally you log in and directly you join the classes, but for the this test you have to after login you have to click on the assignments and you have to start. Okay, before the test proper, you'll have a mock test or a trial of 30 questions that I'll intimate you. Okay, that will be there today or tomorrow. We have to plan tomorrow or day after tomorrow. You'll have a mock test regarding that, because you should not feel difficulty during the test. That's why we have planned to give a small trial. So all of you log in and do that trial. That I will WhatsApp. I'll give a message regarding that. Okay, for that you be prepared for MCQ test. It's very important, and we are going to consider the marks of that for the internal assessment. So you be serious and read like whatever the topics are going on. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay. For that you be attentive, listen to the class, don't just log in and go off. Should listen to the class, and if you have any doubts you can ask. Otherwise don't waste the time in home. Do you have your books with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you start reading if you have not started. You be serious and start reading. Okay, that is regarding the MCQ test. If you have any doubts, and no doubts, we'll finish the class. Okay then, I'll finish the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good day, ma'am. Good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.